In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Iceman type beat on Suno AI. To get started, head over to Suno and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to the create page and start a new music project. This is where everything begins, and setting up a fresh project helps keep your ideas organized from the start. Next, enable custom mode. This is important because custom mode gives you more control over the mood, instrumentation, and overall direction of the beat. If you want a more specific and polished result, this setting will make a big difference. When it's time to write your prompt, focus on describing the sound instead of naming an artist. That helps you create something original while still capturing the style you're aiming for. A strong example prompt would be dark melodic trap instrumental with icy synths, deep 808 bass, atmospheric pads, hard-hitting drums, emotional melodies, spacious mix, modern hip-hop production, instrumental only. The more clearly you describe the sound, the better Suno can interpret your idea. After that, choose the mood you want the beat to have. For this style, good directions include cold and atmospheric, dark and cinematic, melancholic, aggressive, or mysterious. You can also combine these ideas in your wording. For example, you might use a phrase like cold cinematic trap beat with haunting melodies and powerful bass. This helps shape the emotional tone before the music is even generated. Then add production details to make the prompt more precise. Useful elements include deep 808s, crisp hi-hats, punchy kicks, ambient synths, bell melodies, dark piano chords, and reverb-heavy textures. A simple example would be deep sub-bass, icy bell melody, atmospheric synth layers, trap drums, and wide stereo ambience. These details give the AI a clearer blueprint to follow. Now enter your full prompt and make sure to include the phrase instrumental only, no vocals. That keeps the result focused on the beat itself. Once everything looks right, click generate. When Suno gives you results, listen carefully to the melody quality, bass impact, drum groove, and overall atmosphere. Save the strongest version so you can come back to it easily. If the first result isn't quite there yet, refine the prompt. You can ask for more aggressive drums, darker melodies, stronger 808 slides, more ambient textures, or even a faster or slower tempo. Small prompt changes can lead to much better outcomes. Once you have a version you like, use the extend feature to add a second verse section, create a breakdown, build a longer arrangement, or add an outro. Finally, save your preferred version, download the audio file, and import it into FL Studio or another DAW if you want to do extra editing. That's how to build a clean atmospheric Iceman type beat using Suno AI.